Welcome back on this channel, Bratans. We have some positive news. Biden says final US debt ceiling deal ready for Congress vote, and the market reacted very positive to it. We had this massive green candle, but I would be very cautious because we got rejected here on this $28,000 price level of extreme volume. I showed you yesterday here, perfect rejection here. So be very cautious regarding this. Some people speaking even we will see Bitcoin rising even to $200,000 before the halving, before 2024, before April 2024. This is what we will also market cipher B showing us a green dot. You see here this green dot, and this green dot usually signals if this green dot is in alignment with this volume, this yellow line. If it spikes above zero, usually this is a long opportunity. So first let us speak here about that we got rejected. So the positive news that they have an agreement or potential agreement. The market reacted positive. However, stock market was closed today, so be very careful. This one thing. The second thing is it's not yet that it's gone through because it's ready for Congress vote, right? So wait a second, because some people in the comments wrote, oh, nothing happened. Wait, tomorrow the stock market will open. We will see how the stock market reacts. First thing. Second thing is after it's through the vote, so it's gone through the vote, through the Congress, then we should see the stock market dumping, gold rising, because with gold also nothing happened yesterday. And then we will see, will Bitcoin react in alignment with gold because it's digital gold and pump, or will it dump with all the shit stocks, right? Because based on the past, the stocks dumped as soon as the agreement was there, as soon as the vote was through. So please keep this in mind. So right now, what is important to watch? The market cipher B, you can add this by indicator. Just type in market cipher B, or even cipher B, even better. Or you don't put anything here. Cipher B. Твою ж мать, сука, блядь. I wrote it wrong. Cipher B, like this. You see here. And then you can Wu Shoe, this one. And then you can add it. And the market cipher B showing us a green dot. You see here this green dot. And this green dot usually signals if this green dot is in alignment with this volume, this yellow line. If it spikes above zero, usually this is a long opportunity, right? Look at this. Based on the past, we had here the same. We had this green dot, then we had this yellow volume spiking up, and then Bitcoin saw a pump of over how much? 50%. It's not a guarantee that this will happen. I just show you. And be careful, because still we got rejected this $28,000 mark. I told you, as long as we're not breaking above 28,000, I remain bearish. And in my opinion, as long as we're not breaking clearly daily above 28K, I remain bearish and still a short opportunity. Also, we see the total crypto market cap, which is the most crucial indicator for us. We saw, yes, we broke out of this channel, so we had a fake out to the downside. Now we have fake out to the upside because we closed again inside of the channel, so there's still also no decision there. Wait for it. I would wait until, for a long example, for a long opportunity, it depends which trading technique you have. So for a long opportunity, for swing trade or for 4-hourly day trade, I would wait until we're closing above the daily support, daily resistance line, 28K, and also the total crypto market cap close above this channel. Also, watch out here. We are still in this rising wedge. A rising wedge is a bearish pattern. You see a falling wedge. If it's going down, it's a bullish pattern. Rising wedge, it's usually a bearish pattern. And technical price target, in case, only in case, we are breaking here this line. Suka, ебал я тебя в рот, блядь. Why it's not showing? Okay, doesn't matter. If we are breaking here this line at 24,800, and what is the price? 24,800. What is 24,800? 24,800 is here, this monthly support line. You see, this monthly support line is also at 24,800. So as soon as we are breaking 24,800, and as soon as we breaking this yellow line, which is to the support line 24,800, the technical price target would be here at around 16,500, because from the rising wedge, the technical price tag is always the bottom of the wedge. So the last lower point, and this is at around 16,500, which is again in perfect alignment with this pink, or with this red line. This red line, where it's coming from, you know it. This pink line is coming from, it's not some pink line. This pink line is coming from a big black. My internet is not working again, man. Fuck, я ебал я тебя в рот, ёб твою мать, бля. This pink line is this massive 10 years support line from the very, very huge perspective since Bitcoin was created. You see here support, 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 support. So this is a massive support line, right? So watch out for this, because this is a crucial line for us. Not only because in case we are breaking, suka, man, because my internet didn't work. You see what happened, man? It looks like my son was on my computer. Sometimes it looks like this with my son. By the way, he didn't sleep the whole night, therefore the video is a little bit later. So again, in case we are breaking 24,800, then the technical price tag is the bottom of the wedge, 16,700. Then this is a massive, huge short opportunity. I would take profits at 20K. Why at 20K? Because the CME gap is at 20,000. You remember here, you see it's at around 20K. So I would take profits here at around 21,200. In case we are breaking the level of 24,800, then it's a short opportunity first to 21,100, approximately 15%, and then further down until even 16,000, around 17,000. I would take profits always before 17,000. In case we are breaking it down, right? A long opportunity only if we are breaking, in my opinion, not a financial advice, above 28K, above this extreme volume, above the total crypto market cap, right? Also, S&P 500, watch out for the S&P 500, because S&P 500, today was the stock market close. Watch out here. Will we break again after the agreement is gone through the Congress? Will we break inside and break even this support line to the downside? Yes, then probably Bitcoin will also go to shit, because usually Bitcoin moving in alignment of S&P 500. However, it's a special situation right now, because is Bitcoin recognized as digital gold or not? This is the question, right? With gold, nothing happened. Gold is just here moving around like piece of shit in the supermarket, like all this 16-year-old boys and girls who don't know what to do and moving around in the supermarket with their GBL box. Gaussian channel is still also showing us very bearish sign, right? It turned red. Usually when the Gaussian channel turns red, it's a clear short opportunity. Therefore, are you a swing trader or are you a 4-hourly day trader, right? So if you are a swing trader, possibly you could go into a long position, just have your stop loss here at around 24,800. If you are a short-term trader, you can go into a short, but set your stop loss here above 28K. So in case we have again here a spike to the upside, you not get liquidated, and then you're going all the right down, potentially even to 17K. And what is important here to watch is there's one question. Wait a minute. I coming here to this hilarious, crazy theories of Bitcoin 200,000. It's not from me. It's not from some YouTuber, what you're usually expecting. It's from some crypto traders. I don't know. So there's a question from you guys. Someone wrote, Bratan, since 2024, April will represent the halving and preceding it with bull run. When do you think it's better to buy, after or before the halving? Is it true that prices diminishes before the halving? Need your advice. Not a financial advice, Bratan. Do your own research. However, always before the halving, obviously, before the halving, we saw the Bitcoin price was always lower, right? So if we are watching here, wait a minute. If I'm zooming in here based on 2013, you see here, yes, we had before the halving, the prices were lower. We had here 2016, the prices were lower, always lower, 1-2 months before. What we had here 2020, we had here this big COVID candle, so prices been lower. Also after the COVID candle, before the halving, also lower. But we don't know, will we, so based on the history, we will see prices lower. But the question is, will we, right now we are at around, let's say we are around 30K, so it's easier. But the question is, will we, what if we are going to see Bitcoin 40K and it will bounce between 30 and 40K right now? And we are right now at 27K. So this is already the lowest low. Nobody knows, right? Maybe we will see Bitcoin here at 16, 17K, maybe even at 10K. Nobody can tell you this, right? Therefore, the best thing, this is how professional investors like me or some other people do. I'm not professional investor, by the way. You dollar cost average in the market. So we have exactly 1 year time, right? 1 year time, you dollar cost average in the market. You're buying every month or every week. You split your budget. If you have $1,000 or $100, if you are a very crazy hobo, you have $100. You divide $100 by 12 months, and then you put your €8 every month into Bitcoin or your favorite altcoin. Then you have the best price. You didn't even watch the price. If the price at 46K, you go at 46K. If the price is at 20K, you go at 20K. Doesn't matter. And then you get the dollar cost average, the best price, what you can do. And you don't know, will it maybe spike up here like some people are writing? They're writing, welcome to the final phase of the first 6-year Bitcoin cycle designed specifically to wreck 4-year halving cycle watchers. Yes, nobody knows. Maybe he's right. And we will see before the halving. Halving is in April 2024. Maybe we will see before the halving Bitcoin shooting down here to, like his theory, January 2024, Bitcoin at around 200K. Nobody knows. But if you're buying here in this year on dollar cost average, you anyways have the best price in altcoins and Bitcoin. You understand what I mean? You don't understand? Watch from the start. Also, we've gone through this theory, the parabolic curve pattern theory. According to this, we are right now in this phase. And this phase, after this X, the stock price, or in this case, Bitcoin price, double in a very short time. So according to this, we will see here a massive parabolic move, and Bitcoin will go in a very short period from 28K or from 30K to 60K in a very short period. Could it be? Not so likely, still possible. So we could see, yes, we could see here Bitcoin running to 60K, and you know what? We could go after the 60K within this year. We could even go back to 20K or maybe even to 15K and then start running. So the best thing is, there are two things. One thing is, this is what we will speak here in the immediate short term. You go with the immediate short term, we're trying to outperform the market by long and short leverage position, right? This is what you can do, but I would do it with a very small percentage of your portfolio. Usually you lose all this money, so less than 1%. The big money, or your whole portfolio, you use for long term, and you're investing in dollar cost average in this year, because the most altcoins are right now down over 99%. Some of them will never recover. However, there are easy 10, 20, 30x opportunities right now. Like, for example, I bought 3 days ago, we bought Audi here. For example, I bought Audi. It was at how much it was? Wait a minute, I show you here. I bought it at $7.76 here on the 25th May. And then what we had here, 30% pump. So yesterday it was at $10, 30%, 3 days. Easy gains. However, it even didn't sold it because I let this position because I'm expecting it will even go to $30, $40, right? So this is a time to accumulate right now. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. This is a more realistic, in my opinion, perspective, because you see here all 1,484 days we see from all-time high to all-time high. So it was 2014, 2018, 2018 to 2022, 2023, 1,428 days. And from this previous high, so from this previous high, all-time highs at 69K, till the next high is exactly 2,450 days. So it's September 2025. Why? Because it's always like that. This green field represents after the halving, exactly after the halving till the top. And guess what? It's always 1 year. You see, 2012 till 2030, till we reach the all-time high. Halving till all-time high again. You see, 2016, 2017, 1 year. 2020, 2021, exactly 1 year. And this what also here will happen, 2024, 2025, exactly again 1 year, when we see here this parabolic moves happen, right, from Bitcoin and altcoins and all these shit coins. So therefore, again, back to this question, what to do? Will the price go down or not? Yes, the price will go down, but it's right now time to accumulate, because after the halving, if you buy after the halving, this when all the grandmas starting to buy and all this OnlyFans models starting to accept crypto. This is the time when you can little bit buy, but the bags should be filled up here in this year, here exactly. I hope you understand what I'm speaking here about, bratans. For the ones who are more professional, you can check out the Telegram channel. I have there, I show you what I'm doing, where I'm investing in. If not, just watch here the videos, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I did this video, even though I didn't sleep the whole night. I don't want to cry here around, but it's not, I even was in the gym, because it's very important to watch out for your health. Maybe I should do also self-help videos for you psychopaths who are down because they lost all their money in the previous bull market, or for their previous girlfriend. Bratans, write me down below. I kiss you and I see you later.